How do you set the time zone for Crontab? Hello guys and welcome back to Delft Stack. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set the time zone for Crontab. So let's get started. You can set the time zone for cron jobs using the tz variable or by configuring the system time zone, ensuring tasks run at the correct local time. So first of all, you could open your cron tab, type in crontab-e. So this opens your personal cron tab in the default editor, and each line in the file is a scheduled task. At the top of the cron tab, you could add tz equal your time zone. For example, if you want to do for Toronto, you're going to type in tz equal America/Toronto. Example cron job will be 09 3 stars and then / home / your username / myscript.sh. So after adding the tz line and your cron jobs, save the file and exit. Crontab automatically applies the changes, and if you don't set tz, cron uses the system's default time zone. You can also set tz for individual cron jobs. So that is basically how do you set the time zone for Crontab. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.